Hi everyone, this video is about division of integers. So already in the previous videos I have discussed about addition, subtraction and multiplication. So let's talk about division of integers. Division of integers is quite simple. See, I just explained with the help of some example. If I have minus 36 upon minus 9, both the numbers are negative. Okay? So my answer will be positive. Both the numbers are negative, so my answer will be positive. So my answer is positive 4. 9 4s are 36. If both the numbers are positive, numerator and denominator, again my answer will be positive, positive 4. And if any one is negative out of numerator and denominator, my answer will be negative. So this is minus 4 and this is also minus 4 because I am having one minus out of numerator and denominator. I am having any one minus, then my answer will be negative. Okay, so this is the key rule. So let's try some other questions quickly. अगर आप समझ चुके हो, if you have understood the concept, you can pause the video and try these questions. So 3, 6 are 18. Here both are negative. So answer will be plus 21. Here again both are negative. Okay, I should go this way, second one. Okay, minus 27 divided by plus 3. Any one is negative, so my answer will be negative. 3 9s are 27. Again 1 is negative, so my answer will be negative 3. 27 divided by 3. Again 1 is negative, so 3 9s are 27, so minus 9. Here both are positive, so answer will be plus 20. Both are negative, my answer will be positive, positive 30. This is negative 9 8s are 72, 0. So my answer will be negative 80. This is plus 2. Minus 35 divided by plus 5. Minus 7. 48 plus 48 divided by minus 6. I have one negative, so my answer will be negative. Then 6 8 are 48. Here both are negative. Answer will be positive. Here plus 2. Here 1 is negative, so my answer will be negative. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. Here again 1 is negative, so my answer will be negative 27. Let's move to the next question. 294, fill in the blanks. I have to fill the number in these blanks. 294 divided by some number so that I can get the answer as negative. If I want my answer to be negative, any one of them should be negative. So upper one is already positive. So the lower one will be minus 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 41. Here again my answer is positive. I have one negative. If I want to have my answer as positive, I have to have a negative number here. So it will be minus 8. 108 divided by something so that I can get 12. My answer should be positive. My numerator is positive, so my denominator should also be positive. ठीक. So how to get this number? Suppose this number is 8. 108 divided by 12 करके देखो. If you want to get this number. Simple equations अगर करा हुआ है last year तो you can do it easily. 2 6 are 12, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 2 2s are 4, 9. So you will be having 9 here, that is positive 9. ठीक है. ये calculation if you are having some doubt or some problem, how to solve it, so you can do it in the rough column. Here answer is plus 25 and in numerator I have negative. So since my answer is positive, so I should have negative number in numerator as well, right? 125. Minus 125 divided by minus 5 will give you positive 25. Here answer is minus 1, तो numerator में मुझे minus ही लेना पड़ेगा. 0 divided by something is always 0. Correct? So I hope how to divide the integers is clear to you. In the next video I will be taking some questions of BODMAS and some story sums of integers. ठीक है, story sums मतलब related to height, related to marks. Okay, so see you in the next video. If you have any doubt, any problem, any queries, please put it in the comment box. Thank you so much.